How to remove the SIM card on your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now to remove the SIM card, you need to find yourself a SIM pin. It can be a needle or a toothpick. It's best if you have the proper SIM pin. Then we go to the left hand side, on the side of the phone here. And then you insert the SIM pin into the hole. And with some force, we push it in. Once you push it in, it will pop out the SIM tray, like so. Then use your fingernail and drag out the SIM tray. Next, turn around. And then there is a small hole at the back here. You want to push it down. This will pop out the SIM card. And now we can put the SIM tray back in. And that's how you can remove the SIM card from your Google Pixel 7 or the 7 Pro. Thank you for watching this video.